video we are going to replace a new screen for the Huawei Y9 2018. First, let's remove the SIM card slot. Removing the frame of this device is very easy. You just need to detach it. There is no screws, but you need to take careful of the fingerprint flex cable from the back. Always no need to rush. Don't just make a fast movement, otherwise it can be cut and it's a problem. We don't need to make anything damage to the device. We need to fix the device, not making any other problems. We need to remove all the screws so we can remove the fingerprint flex cable from the board. The company made a different build to their devices. In the past, they put the flex cable above the shield, but in the future they put the flex cable under the shield. Somehow the new mind correction, it's annoying to us because we need to remove the fingerprint while we can't hold the frame too much because we can cut that flex cable. There is also two ways to remove this flex cable. You can remove it from the metal. As you can see, there is a sticker. This device has been opened before, it seems. Someone put the stickers to this plug. Sometimes this plug is easy to be damaged, so I don't want to mess with this one, so I had to put again a new whatever it is. I'm always prefer to be professional and not to damage anything while the process. Let's remove all the screws from the board. We need to tear it down so we can remove the screen. The screen flex cable goes under the battery, so we need also to remove the battery. I don't know why they had to put a screen flex cable under the battery. This makes no sense at all. They can just put the flex cable above the battery. Maybe they need to protect the screen flex cable, but when you remove the battery, you could possibly damage this flex cable. Continue tear down and then remove the board. I'm going now to remove the battery. I started using alcohol. The alcohol can reach the adhesive, so adhesive can be soft and can be removed easily. Alcohol with the adhesive can make the adhesive non-working at all. So this is like magic to the adhesive. I had speed up this is a little bit. I don't know, it should be removed easily. I don't know why it takes a long time with me. Maybe the adhesive for this Huawei phones is different from other adhesive to other devices. I was able to remove the battery with the alcohol faster than this twice. Anyway, I'm going to say something about the battery. The battery is a very dangerous thing in all devices, so we need to take care while we are removing it. We don't need to bend or hold the battery. The battery could be exploded So always and always take care all the time. You need to remove the battery. Okay, the battery is out. Okay. This is the one of the screen. Flex cable. Okay. Now we are going to remove the screen. You can heat it and you can remove it. You can crash it. It's already crashed. Sometimes if the screen is working, I let it for test for my shop, because I could use it sometime to test any other devices. But we don't need to make any chaos. The glasses could injure your finger, your hands. We just need to remove it without any harm for you or to other pieces on this device. Some people try just to crash, just remove it. Okay, faster. Why you are? It's already broken. No, you had to be patient removing it. You could damage your finger, your hands, injure yourself. No need to hurry. You can just remove it one piece and put it in the garbage. No need to make the screen a lot of pieces on your table. Okay, after we remove it, it's important and ever to remove all the glue, and if there is a tiny piece of glass on the frame, you had to remove it very well, so we can then put the new screen on position. If you didn't clean and then you put the new screen, a tiny piece of glass could break the new one of your LCD. So it's very important to remove the adhesive and any tiny piece of glass. After that, I'm going to put the screen and see if it's fit on position without any problem, and then I'm going to just make a sample to test the screen before the full assemble. Sometimes the screen or the LCD could came damaged, so it's better for you to test it before the full assemble. There is no time just to tear down and like assemble, disassemble, assemble and disassemble. Okay, I'm as you can see, I'm looking at it if it's fitting on place. Yes, it's fit on place. It's a very important thing. Now I'm going to put the board and assemble if part assemble and test the screen. Look at this pattern. You will be shocked with this person who made this pattern. I barely can notice from where to start and where to finish. I don't know why they had to put this pattern. Anyway, I'm going to draw it and then open the device, test the touch screen of this LCD and make sure it's working perfectly. the device is on because we didn't put the screen to their places. The sensor can't see the light, so the light is very low. I'm going to increase it so you can see the light. Let's start testing the touch screen. This will do the job of any point of the screen if it's not function well. Okay, now we can confirm that the touch screen is working perfectly without any problem. Now I can turn off the device and now I can do the full assemble. We need to remove this sticker on the LCD. Be careful of removing it. I don't know why the people put it on the screen itself. This is somehow annoying. I don't need it to be on my screen. I'm going to remove it from the edges. I'm having this plastic wrapper piece. It should be put from the inside. It's between the board and the frame. Let's remove the frame and put it again. Now we are going to put the adhesive all over the frame. No need to put too much of the glue, just a little. Near the speakers, the sensors, the ear speaker, the cameras, don't put too much glue, otherwise the glue could be leaked to their pieces and making something bad. It's very important to this note. Now you don't notice that the glue on their side, but when you push and put the screen to its position, this glue can leak to these cameras, ear speaker, microphone, anything, sensors. So it's important just to put in pieces, or so it's important to take care of this note, please. Now we can make the full assemble. I have told everything you need to know. If you have any questions, just write it down on the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to support the channel by like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.